The reason that the wheel is so important, I had my research team to look at every field of science that the wheel has garnered their observation and scientific analysis. And there is no branch of science that's left out of admiration, wonderment in their study of the wheel. These scientific disciplines include physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, aerospace, mechanical, chemical, material, electrical, civil, environmental, architectural, and aircraft engineering, communications, space propulsion, nuclear science, microbiology, genetic engineering, anatomy, ergonomics, botany, horticulture, toxicology, archaeology, linguistics, hieroglyphics, Arabic, philosophy, history, and paranormal communications. So the scientists, if they were gathered together to look at Area 51, they could determine the truth of what we are saying, that God is really present in the world, because the wisdom on the wheel and from the wheel is so magnificent, it forces every branch of science to bow down.